Welcome back to Sam Good Design. Today we show you budget-friendly ideas. Backyard for small outdoor spaces. Transforming a small outdoor space into a cozy and inviting retreat doesn't have to break the bank. With some creativity and strategic planning, you can maximize every inch of your compact outdoor area without compromising on style or comfort. In this video, we will explore budget-friendly ideas and innovative solutions for small outdoor spaces, from clever furniture arrangements to DIY decor projects and space-saving gardening techniques. Whether you have a tiny balcony, a petite patio, or a compact courtyard, these tips will help you make the most of your outdoor oasis without overspending. Creative furniture solutions. When dealing with a small outdoor space, every inch counts. Consider investing in multifunctional pieces that serve multiple purposes, such as bench that doubles as storage. Foldable and stackable options are also great choices for easy storage when not in use. Space-saving design tips. Make the most of your small outdoor space by utilizing vertical space. Hang plants or install shelves to create a green oasis without taking up valuable floor space. Zoning techniques, such as using racks or different seating areas, can help define separate areas in your outdoor space. DIY decor projects. Get creative with DIY decor projects to personalize your outdoor space on a budget. Upcycle old items like crates or pallets to create unique furniture pieces. Add a touch of personality with personalized artwork and accents that reflect your style. Vertical gardening techniques. Don't let limited ground space stop you from having a garden. Explore vertical gardening techniques like hanging gardens using pots or baskets. Vertical planters and trellises are also excellent options for growing herbs, flowers, or even vegetables in a small outdoor space. Maximizing storage options. In a small outdoor space, every inch counts. Here are some clever storage solutions that won't break the bank. Bench with hidden storage. A bench with hidden storage is a dual-purpose piece of furniture that provides seating and a discreet spot to store away cushions, gardening tools, or outdoor toys. Look for budget-friendly options that suit your style and space. Shelving systems. Vertical space is your friend in a small outdoor area. Installing shelving units or racks can help you make the most of walls and fences for storing potted plants, decor items, or gardening essentials. Get creative with repurposed materials to keep costs low. Budget-friendly planting strategies. Add a touch of greenery to your outdoor space without emptying your wallet with these planting ideas. Container gardening on a budget. Container gardening is a versatile and cost-effective way to introduce plants to your outdoor area. Look for budget-friendly pots like plastic containers or thrifted finds and get creative with your plant choices to create a lush oasis without breaking the bank. Friends, write in the comments which ideas you like it the most. Thank you for watching. You watched the Gardening and Design channel. Sam Good Design.